The success of today's common rail system depends on extreme engineering precision. And the truth is, not all injectors are created equal. The risks involved with using an injector from a non-OE endorsed manufacturer far outweigh the cost savings. The harm caused by inferior injectors may not show up for months, but problems include poor performance, serious damage, and even all-out destruction of the engine. Injectors may look the same from the outside, but they don't perform the same. Here's why. Injector performance depends on ultra-precision engineering. All Bosch injectors are remanufactured and tested to OE specs. A typical pilot injection lasts a mere 150 microseconds. How fast is that? So fast that the control valve of a Bosch common rail injector can open and close more than 1,000 times in the blink of an eye. Typical clearances between mating components of common rail injectors are measured in micrometers, or microns. It takes rigorous precision to consistently manufacture injectors with tolerances of 1 to 2 micron, a Bosch standard. How small is that? 100 micron is the diameter of a single human hair, and 1 micron is the size of a red blood cell. To demonstrate why it's what you can't see that's so important, Bosch tested a number of competitors' remanufactured and rebuilt products. The results from testing were clear. More than 50% of competitors' injectors did not perform to OEM standards.
The findings were that the remanufactured injectors don't perform the same in terms of pressure and duration. And that leads to inferior engine results, inferior emissions,